What's going on, everybody? I hope your off season is going great. Taking a look at the new reflection pond update, I was able to get kind of a clear look on the east side. Not much from the other side over by the tollway, but you can see that there is some sort of structure there in the front. It rises up a little bit. Now, I don't have the best drone in the world, and this is zoomed in as far as I can possibly go here, so the quality is not the greatest. But if you take a look at these stills, I've done my best to crop it a little more so you can see what I'm talking about. Personally, I'm a little indifferent on this edition. I've been to California's Great America, and I do love their front entrance, but I like how intimate ours is. You can walk right up to the reflection pond. The vibes are so nice, and I guess I shouldn't be critiquing now because I haven't seen it, but based on what I'm seeing from the sky, what little I can see, I don't know how well I'm going to like this, but I should reserve my thoughts and wait until opening day to see what this looks like. I shouldn't be too quick to judge. I'm sure it'll look fantastic when it's all done. Really quick update on the new Raging Bull queue and stairs. I wasn't able to get the best footage of it, but based on what I've seen from my stuff and the Marcus LeShock angle, it does look like they have the foundation for the new staircase poured, or at least the concrete padding, so on the right track. Last but not least, I want to talk about Camp Cartoon. Now, I didn't fly the drone over this area, but again, based on what I've seen from the Chicago Coaster Guide and Marcus LeShock footage from the other day, I think I have a good estimate of what's going on. And look, Camp Cartoon has been a shell of its former self for many years now, and the park did officially announce that Yahoo River and Crazy Bus are retiring, but that leaves a lot of questions. What is the area going to look like? So I was able to come up with this schematic of the area and kind of what it's looked like through the past. Boulder Roller was removed after the 2017 season, and Rescue Service was removed after the 2019 season, leaving just Yahoo River, Crazy Bus, and Sprocket Rockets from then until now, obviously. And with the footage and news of Crazy Bus and Yahoo River being removed, we know that there's not a lot left of Camp Cartoon. Now, the park did confirm that Sprocket Rockets is going to remain operational in the 2026 season, and this is what that pad will look like. A lot of people are speculating that for the new kids area edition coming next, they're going to put a family launch coaster of some type in this area, and I don't really see that fit, just because Sprocket Rockets is so small, and if you look, it takes up almost half of the space that Camp Cartoon currently takes up. So I don't see, unless they remove Sprocket Rockets, a family attraction going there. I do think that would be reserved for the Winter Circle go-kart plot of land. It'll be interesting to see what they do with the space. I'm assuming they'll put up a fence or maybe just make the entrance to the Sprocket Rockets queue stick out to the midway more. But the rest of Camp Cartoon as we know it is gone. It's been reduced to dirt. Make sure to go check out Chicago Coaster Guy and Marcus LeShock's video on the Sprocket Rockets site for some actual drone footage of this area. Like I said, I did not have any. I do think that Sprocket Rockets has a good chance at sticking around. I could see it being rethemed, and I could see a couple other, spruced up flats going in this area, or some of the Kidsopolis flats, to be honest. However, if they're not going to put any of the new kids area stuff here, I could see Sprocket Rockets being removed just because it is such a weird location, and it is tucked away. Like, if Sprocket Rockets was where it currently stands without Camp Cartoon being there, you wouldn't even be able to see it from the midway. It'd be a hometown fun machine situation where it's there, but it's not really seen and doesn't get a lot of foot traffic. That being said, I really hope it does stay, and I hope it does get some sort of refresh or retheme, because Camp Cartoon, that whole area, has just looked pathetic. So once again, here's what that space is going to look like in the 2026 season. And here is what Camp Cartoon looked like when it was in its full heyday, a couple years back, even further back, and again now what that looks like. Pretty weird. It's also interesting to see, based on the schematic, just how small the area really is. Anyways, sorry for the interjection, and I hope you enjoyed this little bit of analysis on the Camp Cartoon situation. Thanks again for watching, and enjoy these last couple drone clips.